Okay, here goes the search. They got them all out sitting on the curb.
Good one, go ahead.
You send a no preference to our location on Griswold, please.
Clear. From a subject named Jason, who is acting strangely and advised that he was sitting inside the vehicle and needs to tow.
Clear, I just spoke to that subject, gave me the registered owner's name and gave me a funny story about it. But we're just going to tow it and impound it.
Okay, so they're asking about asking them if there's any marijuana in the vehicle. Okay, here goes the search. They got them all out sitting on the curb. Here goes the search.
Gas station, get a map. Okay, this is Glick. Take it up to Wildwood. You'll see a gas station at West and Wildwood, and get a map.
You get any comments, sir? What the stop was for?
I don't know.
You don't know?
We're still investigating it, so.
Okay, thank you. Okay, there they go. They got one of the guys in handcuffs. Pulling the other guy out.
I'll let you know.
Got one person in handcuffs. Pulling the other two out.
He wants to figure something out. Hey, have a seat back in the car. Have a seat back in the car, okay? Have a seat in the car.
Okay, so it was a female they took in custody. She had a 10-9.
$1,000 cash here. And I got a right-handed ticket, so.
Okay, so this guy's getting a ticket. They arrested at least one of the occupants of the vehicle. They're gonna make some money off this stop.
Hey, right up. Are you good?
Advised that he was sitting inside the vehicle and needs to tow.
Claire, I just spoke to that subject, gave me the registered owner's name and gave me a funny story about it. But we're just going to tow it and impound it.